Ever asked for Arabic coffee and got something totally different? This is Qahwa. Cardamom, saffron, roasted light. The real deal. Best Qahwa in town. Swing by Shaheen's.
Marhaba. One small Arabic coffee with 2 dates, please. Coming right up.
Best service in the kingdom.
This isn't what I ordered.
Deluxe upgrade?
Deluxe? I asked for a light snack, not a sand dune of Mandy.
On the bright side, the coffee's still tiny.
Well, why not? Best coffee with rice.
Subscribe for more chaos from Shaheen the Cat.